In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut an object with another object in Blender. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe. So let's get right into it. Now the function we're going to be using here is the Boolean modifier. And first of all, what we need to do is get two objects. So you can see here I've got this kind of curve, and then I have this cube here. So I'm going to go ahead and put the curve through the cube, just like this. And what I'm going to go ahead and do now is I'm going to select the cube. I'm going to go onto the cube and I'm going to go to the modifier here, add modifier. I'm going to go to generate, and then I'm going to go over to where it says Boolean. So what you can see here is I have them intersected, and I need to go over here and first of all need to make sure that the setting is set to difference. That's very important. Now we want to go over here to object, and we want to press the eyedropper tool. And now we have to select the other object that we want to go through it. So in this case, it's this one here. We've selected that object there, and now it's passing through it. What we can do from here is we can go ahead and we can select this item here. We can hide it with H, and you can see that now it's cut that kind of shape out of the cube here. And you see the cube is still in one piece. It's still one piece together. It's not two separate pieces. What we need to do from here is we need to go ahead and apply this. So go over here, press apply, and now we have this as a brand new shape, which we can go ahead and use. And something to take into account is that we can move this now even without this bit, and it's still going to keep that shape out of it. So it's really simple to go ahead and use it, and that's basically all you need to know. So if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below that it helped, and let me know if there's any other videos you'd like me to make about Blender or anything else. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.